All right, what is going on, guys? So, just gonna jump right into this today. And last night we were looking for reversals off of the resist support zone that we had drawn up on the 4 hour for EU. We had a lot of confluences in the zone, and overall the price was just pushing upwards on a higher time frame. But with the Euro news that came out and those unemployment rates or whichever it was, it pushed price down, weakened the euro, and it just really tanked all the way through. But it didn't just go all the way through to just nothing, right? It came down to a 4 hour demand zone. It came down towards a 1 hour, and it's got a lot of momentum. Now, obviously, it's going to go up and fill these gaps eventually. It's just a matter of what is it going to do first? Is it going to push down, then go up? Is it going to push up first into these imbalances, maybe a little bit higher to other time frame supplies? Or and then drop, or is it just going to consolidate? I've seen all three play out all the time. I've seen consolidation where price just consolidates, waits for the EMAs to come and down and touches it, and then continues down, right? It would just be essentially a level consolidation. I've seen price go pull right up, hit the EMAs, hit the zones, and then drop. I've seen price continue down one more dime right towards these other demands, though, right? Because we got the 4 hour demand right here and the EMAs, and then shoot back up. So you're gonna have to be patient to see which one really plays out because either way, they have liquidity in these zones and they're gonna trap whichever direction gathers up the most amount. So just be ready. I would say wait for Asian session to play out, wait for London, and wait for the just what are they pushing up first, right? Are they going to push up, push up, push up? Because by the time New York session comes around, you'll know exactly what direction this pair is going to go. It's honestly easy. If you guys trade news, if you've paid attention to the setups and the structure that's going on before the news event happens, you can clearly see what direction price is going to go. I've traded news successfully over the last couple months, and if you wait for it right in the moment, you tend to be right if you know what you're looking at. So I'm going to be paying attention. I'm going to be up early tomorrow, just taking a look at how this news will play out and capturing a move if I can. So this is what we're looking at. Push up to the downside, downside to the upside, or just consolidation. And it's the same exact thing. Oops. It's the same exact thing for GU, right? Because all the pairs here that I don't go over with you guys, but the two I do go over so far, but all the ones that I don't go over with you guys, all are essentially doing the exact same thing. We're looking for price to either push up to retest, fill in the gaps, then drop back down towards the low, towards the EMAs. We're looking for it to drop down first, then go back up for the pullback, and then potentially consolidate, or price just going to consolidate here, or it could go a little bit higher up, which would be like a pullback here, and it just kind of ranges up top, or not that high, but goes like this. And then when it's doing that, it's waiting for the EMAs to come around, hit, bounce off, and then continue the level push down. So it all depends. So we just have to wait and see exactly what's going to play out. So there's really nothing that you have to do other than just be patient. Price is not in a zone that you want to take anything. Usually, most people would still be looking for buys right about now because price is low. So if it's low, take the buy. But I've seen price continue down. So pay attention, be patient, and see what's going to happen. I'm not taking any trades. I'm in trades now, but I'm not going to be taking any new trades because there's just nothing here that makes sense to me. So I'll be waiting for New York session tomorrow to continue, and we'll go from there. And if you guys capture something, good for you. Like Happy New Year. Keep killing it, and let's keep rolling with the consistency. Everyone, have a great night. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.